Kung connection ang hanap mo at hindi transaction, pakinggan mo to. Alam mo, may mga taong sobrang excited kang sharean. Energy mo, blessings mo, or even opportunities. Pero mapapansin mo, ikaw lagi yung bigay ng bigay. Pag ikaw yung may kailangan, ay, busy ako. Pero kapag siyang may kailangan, sis, help me naman oh. So umpisa okay lang naman kasi generous ka, 'di ba? You love helping people. Kasi nga, abundance mindset ka. Pero minsan, ang abundance mindset, hindi ibig sabihin taga-abot ka lang lagi. It should be give and receive. Hindi yung take ka lang ng take. Friendship, family, business, real relationship, give and receive. Kung may kakilala kang tao na laging may limit kung magbibigay, di connection ang hanap niyan. Baka provider. Be generous but be wise. Give but don't be used or abused. Kasi hindi lahat ng giving ay healthy. Meron din tinatawag na self-betrayal disguised as kindness. And ito yung natutunan ko. It's okay to help pero you have to set boundaries. Hindi ka din selfish kung gusto mo ng reciprocity. Kung sa business naman to, partner, hindi parasite ang hinahanap mo. And sa friendship, kailangan pareho kayo invested. And if you're the only one who always show up for people, baka panahon na para i-honor mo naman yung sarili mo. So today, do a quick audit. Sino ba yung mga tao nagbibigay din sa'yo ng time, energy, and support? And sino ba yung taong nakasubscribe sa generosity mo? Always protect your peace, give with love, and know when to stop giving the free trial. So like and share kung nauntog ka rin sa realization na to.